Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are thrilled to have you here today because we have something truly exciting and valuable to share. Imagine waking up to money in your bank account that you earned while you were fast asleep. Sounds like a dream come true, doesn't it? Well, you're in for a treat because in this video, we've put together the ultimate list of the top 10 ways to make money while catching those Z's. Get ready to turn your dreams into profits and unlock the world of passive income. Number 1. Invest in stocks and dividend-paying companies. Investing in the stock market is a time-tested strategy for building wealth and generating passive income. While it does involve some risk, there are various ways to approach stock investments. One popular approach is to focus on dividend-paying companies. These companies distribute a portion of their earnings as dividends to shareholders. Dividend stocks can provide a steady stream of income which you can reinvest or enjoy as a passive income stream. When selecting dividend stocks, look for companies with a history of consistent dividend payments and strong financials. Diversify your investments across different industries to mitigate risks. Consider investing in index funds or exchange-traded funds (ETFs) that track dividend-focused indices, providing exposure to a broad range of dividend-paying stocks. Number 2. Create and sell digital products. If you have a creative flair, turning your skills into digital products can be an excellent way to make money while you sleep. Writing an ebook on a topic you're passionate about or knowledgeable in can be a fulfilling endeavor. Self-publishing platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing make it easy to reach a global audience. Combine your writing with eye-catching cover designs and strategic marketing to boost sales. For those with expertise in a particular field, creating and selling online courses can be lucrative. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Coursera allow you to share your knowledge with learners worldwide. Develop comprehensive and engaging courses, and once you've put in the initial effort, you can enjoy passive income as new students enroll. Musicians and composers can tap into the digital music industry. Distribute your music on platforms like iTunes, Spotify, or SoundCloud, and earn royalties whenever someone streams or downloads your tracks. Number 3. Start a dropshipping business. Dropshipping is an attractive option for those interested in e-commerce but not keen on managing inventory. With dropshipping, you act as the intermediary between customers and suppliers. When a customer places an order, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. As the store owner, you set the retail price, and the difference between the wholesale price and the retail price becomes your profit. To start a successful dropshipping business, choose reliable suppliers with quality products and efficient shipping. Focus on marketing and building a strong online presence to attract customers. Social media marketing, influencer collaborations, and search engine optimization (SEO) can all play a crucial role in driving traffic to your online store. Number 4. Earn passive income with real estate. Real estate is often considered one of the most stable and tangible investments. Owning rental properties can provide a consistent stream of passive income through rental payments. However, being a landlord requires some hands-on effort, including property management, tenant screening, and maintenance. Alternatively, hiring a property management company can alleviate some of the responsibilities. Real estate crowdfunding platforms have become popular in recent years. These platforms allow you to invest in real estate projects with a smaller initial investment as you pool funds with other investors to purchase properties or participate in real estate development. This way, you can diversify your real estate portfolio without the need to purchase entire properties. Number 5. Create a YouTube channel or podcast. Building a successful YouTube channel or podcast requires dedication and consistency, but the potential for passive income is significant. As you gain subscribers or followers, you become eligible for various monetization options. For YouTube, the YouTube Partner Program, YPP, allows you to earn money through ads displayed on your videos. Additionally, you can partner with brands for sponsored content or promote products through affiliate marketing. Podcasts can also generate passive income through sponsorships, advertisements, and affiliate partnerships. You can use podcast hosting platforms that offer integrated monetization options. To maximize your success, focus on producing high-quality, engaging content that appeals to your target audience. Interact with your viewers or listeners, respond to comments, and build a loyal community around your channel or podcast. Number 6. Invest in peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending platforms have revolutionized the lending landscape by connecting borrowers directly with lenders. As a lender, you can choose the borrowers you want to support based on their credit risk and loan purpose. Each loan includes interest, which becomes your passive income when borrowers repay their loans over time. To minimize risk, diversify your investments across multiple loans. Some platforms offer automated investment tools to spread your funds across various borrowers automatically. Remember to conduct thorough research on the platforms you choose, assessing their track record, borrower screening process, and default rates. While P2P lending can be a lucrative way to earn passive income, there is still an inherent risk involved as borrowers may default on their loans. Number 7. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where you promote products or services from other companies. The key to successful affiliate marketing is to choose products or services that genuinely align with your niche or audience's interests. Authenticity is crucial, as your audience is more likely to trust your recommendations if they believe in your expertise. Start by joining affiliate programs of reputable companies in your niche. Many e-commerce platforms, software providers, and service providers offer affiliate programs with attractive commission rates. As you create content, subtly incorporate affiliate links and product recommendations. You can use blog posts, video descriptions, or social media posts to promote affiliate products. When your audience clicks on your unique affiliate links and makes a purchase, you earn a commission on the sale. Number 8. Develop a mobile app. Mobile apps have become an integral part of our lives, and a successful app can generate significant passive income. Developing a mobile app requires technical expertise, or you can partner with developers to bring your idea to life. To create a successful app, start by identifying a problem or need in the market that your app can address. Conduct thorough market research and competitor analysis to understand what users want and how your app can stand out. Monetization options for mobile apps include in-app purchases, subscriptions, advertisements, and offering premium features. Frequent updates and user engagement are essential to keep your app relevant and attract more users. Number 9. Rent out your assets. If you have valuable assets that sit idle for extended periods, renting them out can be an effective way to make passive income. Airbnb is a popular platform for renting out spare rooms, apartments, or vacation properties to travelers. You can set your rental terms, availability, and prices. Providing a clean and comfortable space along with excellent guest communication can lead to positive reviews and repeat bookings. If you own a vehicle that you don't use every day, you can list it on car-sharing platforms like Turo. Travelers or locals can rent your car for short periods, providing you with additional income without much effort. Another option is to rent out your photography equipment, recreational gear, or other valuable items on specialized rental platforms. These platforms provide insurance coverage and facilitate transactions, making it a safe and convenient option for both owners and renters. Number 10. High-interest savings accounts and CDs. While some of the previous methods may involve a level of risk or effort, high-interest savings accounts and certificates of deposit, CDs, offer a safe and straightforward way to earn passive income. High-interest savings accounts. These accounts are offered by banks or online financial institutions and typically provide higher interest rates than standard savings accounts. Your money earns interest over time, allowing it to grow while you sleep. While the returns may not be as high as some other investment options, the advantage is that these accounts are generally low risk and provide easy access to your funds when needed. Certificates of deposit, CDs. CDs are time-bound deposits where you agree to keep your money with the bank for a specific period, known as the term. In return, the bank offers a fixed interest rate that is typically higher than regular savings accounts. The longer the term of the CD, the higher the interest rate. This makes CDs a suitable option if you have money you won't need to access for a set period. They offer a guaranteed return on your investment, making them a safe choice for risk-averse individuals. Both high-interest savings accounts and CDs are excellent options for setting aside emergency funds or funds that you don't plan to use in the immediate future. They allow your money to grow steadily over time, providing you with a cushion of passive income while you focus on other financial endeavors. As with any financial decision, it's essential to compare different banks and financial institutions to find the best rates and terms. Some online banks may offer higher interest rates due to lower overhead costs, making them worth considering for your passive income strategy. In conclusion, the world of passive income offers exciting opportunities for anyone looking to achieve financial freedom and make money while they sleep. We've explored the top 10 ways to turn your dreams into profits, and each method has its unique advantages and potential for success. Keep in mind that building passive income takes time, effort, and dedication. There may be challenges along the way, but stay committed to your goals and continue learning and growing. Diversify your income streams to spread risk and maximize your potential for success. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach to creating passive income, so choose methods that align with your skills, interests, and financial goals. The key is to take action and get started. Even small steps can lead to significant results over time. Thank you for joining us on this valuable exploration of passive income opportunities. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more content on personal finance, investing, and building a life of abundance.